A dryer that continually trips the breaker can be caused by several factors, including an overloaded circuit, a faulty heating element, or a malfunctioning drive motor. To address these issues, start by disconnecting any unnecessary devices that may be sharing the circuit with the dryer, as this can lead to an overload. Alternatively, consider connecting the dryer to a dedicated circuit that is not being used by other electronic devices. If this does not resolve the problem, the heating element may be damaged, causing it to short out the heating housing and trip the breaker. To fix this, power off the dryer, remove its panels, and use a multimeter to test the heating element for continuity. If the heating element is faulty, replace it with a functioning one. If the issue persists, the drive motor may be the culprit. In this case, disconnect the dryer, disassemble its panels, and use a multimeter to test the drive motor's functionality. If the motor has no continuity, replace it. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the problem, preventing your dryer from continually tripping the breaker.